Hey there, fellow survivalists. Welcome back to the Prepped Daddy channel, where we make sure you're ready for anything. I'm your host, Prepped Daddy, and today we're diving into day 3 of our fire building week. It's all about gathering materials, because let's be real, without the right materials, your fire won't be more than a puff of smoke. First up, let's talk about tinder. Tinder is your fire's best friend. It's the stuff that catches a spark and gets your fire going. Great examples of tinder include dry leaves, grass, bark shavings, and even pocket lint. The key is that it's dry and fine enough to catch a spark quickly. Here's a pro tip. Birch bark and cattail fluff are nature's gift to fire starters. They catch fire quickly and burn hot. If you're in a pinch, even a bit of cotton from your socks can do the trick. Next, we have kindling. Kindling is a step up from tinder. It's small sticks and twigs that catch fire from the tinder and help build up your flame. Look for sticks that are about the thickness of your finger or slightly smaller. They should snap easily. If they bend, they're too wet. Finally, you need fuel wood. These are your bigger logs and branches that will keep your fire burning for a long time. Start with pieces that are about the width of your wrist, and as the fire gets going, you can add larger logs. Remember, dry wood burns best, so avoid anything that feels damp or looks green. So there you have it, the essentials of gathering materials for your fire. Always remember to collect more than you think you'll need. Fires consume materials quickly, and it's better to have too much than to be left in the cold. Before we wrap up, let's talk about something a bit more creative. Creative fire starters. Sometimes you have to think outside the box to get that fire going. Did you know you can use items like Vaseline-coated cotton balls, dryer lint, or even snack chips like Doritos? These unconventional materials can be lifesavers when traditional tinder is hard to come by. Let's try one out. Here I've got a cotton ball coated in Vaseline. It lights up quickly and burns long enough to ignite your kindling. Always keep a few of these in your survival kit. Now let's make this interactive with some asks and tasks for you. Asks. What's your favorite tinder material to use when starting a fire? Have you ever had a fire fail because of poor materials? What happened? Do you have any unique tips for gathering fire materials? Share them below. Tasks. Explore your backyard or a local park, where permitted, and identify potential tinder and kindling materials. Remember, only collect from safe and legal areas. Try starting a small, controlled fire using the materials you've gathered. Ensure you're in a safe, legal area and have water or sand nearby to extinguish it. Create a small fire kit with tinder, kindling, and a fire starter. Keep it in your emergency pack for your next outdoor adventure. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our survival tips. Leave a comment below with your best fire starting tips or any questions you have. I'm here to help. Until then, stay safe, stay prepared, and keep that fire burning.